The number one problem for people in adopting AI into their workflow is that the quality of the output they're getting is frankly not very good. Now, you have probably experienced this where you go to use Chat GPT, Google, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and you ask it for help with something, but the response that you get is, well, not great. I'm here on this video to show you the secret for making sure that the actual output you're receiving from your AI assistants is top quality, right? The whole point in using AI tools is to save yourself time. So this video is going to showcase the Google AI Studio. Now, this is a secret hack and a secret weapon that I'm using to make sure that I'm getting the most out of the large language model AI tools I'm using. So large language model, that just refers to the type of model that is running with these AI assistants. So these are based on language and a lot of coding. So examples, of course, being Chat GPT, which I'm guessing you're familiar with, Gemini by Google, guessing you may have also experienced that one, or Microsoft Copilot. These are all examples of large language models. There's a bunch others, but those are the mainstream ones. So the most important thing with using these tools is your prompts. You've probably heard of this before, but the prompts, the information you give the model is going to dramatically improve the output. So this secret is going to help you create better prompts in just seconds so that your outputs, what you're getting from your AI assistants, are far superior. This is going to be an upgrade for you. You're welcome. All right, so what I'm going to suggest is that you head over to aistudio.google.com. I will put that link to that URL in the description on this video and log in. Now, the good news here is as long as you have a Google account, it's very seamless to log in. And it's also a free tool. I believe I might use tokens. So it runs off of Gemini 2.0. I personally pay for Gemini 2.0 because I love using it as a tool. It's $20 a month and it is well worth it. Now, once you are inside of the Google Studio, you'll notice here on the left-hand side of your screen that we have a Create Prompt button. This is the magic. You can type your question in, giving it information on what you want your AI assistant to help you with, and it is going to put together a prompt that is engineered to give you your optimal output. So I like to think of this as tuning a prompt or tuning a model, just like you would a piano, right? I don't know if you've ever heard a piano being played that has not been tuned in a long time. It does not sound great, right? So tuning your prompts using Google AI Studio is an opportunity for you to make what you're getting from your large language models sound much better, like a well-tuned piano. All right, so I am going to give you an example here of a couple prompts that I have had Google AI Studio help me create. Now, the first one is social media related. And if we go up here to the very top, in blue, this shows you what I put in. So when you go to create a prompt, you have this bubble down here where you can type in whatever it is that you need the prompt to achieve for you. Just to save time on this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few that I've already done. So in the bubble, what I typed in was, I am going to need some help creating a prompt for content creation. I'm working with a client to batch create 6 months worth of content. I have 24 or more social media graphics, but I need a little help from AI to generate high quality captions that are specific to and optimized for different social media platforms. All of the content should be optimized for engagement, via comments and shares. What is going to be the best way to get this done with the highest quality output and the best prompt to use for that objective? Now you'll notice, rather than just giving it one sentence, I tried to give it as much context as I could about the task at hand. Now if we scroll down, again, this query ran in just minutes, but let's check out the prompt that it engineered for me. Boom. Structured prompting and iteration. Here we go. This says we will not rely on a single prompt. Instead, we're going to use a structured approach with iterative prompts to refine the output. Now, if we go down here, I have the prompt template that I can now copy and paste into Gemini, Copilot, Chat GPT that is going to give me a developer level output without having to be an AI prompt engineer or an AI model developer, right? Super powerful. And I can tell you from experience that doing this to create a prompt for something that you've tried before that isn't going great is the secret weapon to succeeding with these AI models, right? So I'm going to give you another example of one that I had it help with. And this was a short one sentence question. I need a prompt for a large language model that will understand my ideal client, review my sales page, and craft a high converting 1-minute video sales letter to hook people in. So below, it is a template that you can use for a prompt. And you'll notice here, this is a lot more involved than the types of prompts you're probably giving Chat GPT, right? Most of us are going into Chat GPT. We're giving it this one sentence, one sentence question or query. If you scroll down here, this is what a actual well-engineered prompt should and could look like. So I'm also going to have to input some of the information regarding my ideal client, but it gives you the framework for a prompt that is going to crush it every time. So this secret weapon is amazing. Google AI Studio. Again, it's aistudio.google.com. Be sure to check it out. Come back here, drop a comment if you love it, and tell me more about the output that you're getting, all right? And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want more kind of insider tips on these tricks that you can use to get better output from the AI models that you are implementing in your business. Talk soon.